Okay, well, from last semester, you might remember, we did the interactive storybook concept with the fable, The Tortoise and the Hare. However, what was lacking in that iteration was a sense of unity and feeling of completion. So rather than limiting ourselves with the same story, we decided to use a brand new one, which is The Three Little Pigs. So essentially, the user...
Lost your signal over here.
Oh.
It's okay.
Okay.
So essentially the user, which is targeted between 3 to 5 years old, uses a glove to control interactions throughout the story. And what makes this different from traditional storybook telling is that, for one, it's interactive, and also it engages users with the animations and the different gestures. So the storyboard is basically the same as the traditional three little pigs. And so at the beginning, you were able to decide which pig you want to play. And through this, you decide what material you're going to use to build your house. And throughout the story, there will be different interactions which will ultimately decide what ending to play.
And these are the 4 main characters in the game. Each character has their own distinctions, like the bow tie, glasses, and the arching back to symbolize he's deceiving. And you get to know them a bit more once we get with the game.
Yeah, so for our interfaces, programmed in Flash using ActionScript 3, and we use the big glove on the table over there to navigate through the system, and there are accelerometer sensor and flight sensors to control the system.
So through...
And for the Flash part, we mainly use event listeners, such as data event listeners, in order to read data from Arduino to Flash.
So throughout the story, there are a total of 8 interactions that you'll be able to do. And these are some of the illustrations that will appear. And when these do appear, it prompts the user to do the necessary motion to continue the story.
So for our user testing results, we found out that the children were successfully able to understand that the glove acted as a controller for the interactive storybook. Each child was successful in creating going through one story cycle and averaged around 4 minutes to do one story cycle. One thing we found out is that what we originally intended for the animations to invoke for the children's actions were